Losing access to your Steam account can be frustrating, but the password reset process is straightforward. If you've forgotten your password, start by navigating to the Steam login page and clicking the Forgot Your Account Name or Password link. You'll be prompted to enter either your Steam username or the email address associated with your account. After submitting this information, Steam will send a password reset link to the email address on file. This link is valid for 24 hours, providing a window to securely regain access. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Always verify that the email is from noreply@steampowered.com. Steam employs several security measures to protect your account during the password recovery process. SteamGuard, Steam's version of two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized resets even if your email is compromised. Consider enabling SteamGuard Mobile Authenticator for enhanced protection. Passwords should be unique and complex to avoid credential stuffing attacks. Always log out of all devices after resetting your password, especially if you suspect unauthorized access. If you encounter issues or delays, contact Steam support, providing purchase history or other account details for verification.